Media platform tier list. Snapchat is going in D tier. Some of the videos and the filters can be funny, but there's a lot of creeps on there and it just keeps kids glued to their phones. YouTube's an easy S tier. It's just the goat of social media in general. Unlike TikTok, a majority of the videos on there are just absolute brain rot for every age, and the app has just ruined humor in general. 100% F tier. Instagram's going in C tier. The app has many faults, but the reels are absolutely hilarious. Twitter's going in F tier. All it is people getting canceled and people arguing over the dumbest things. But I don't know anyone that uses Facebook anymore, so I'm gonna put it in D tier. Now please subscribe to help me reach 300k subs.